Okay, so I hope we are online, or I should say live. In today's session, we are gonna um, solve the Bandit over the wire. So in this session, we are gonna this something else, level 0. We are gonna start from level 0 to level 5, and this session will be covering from 0 to 5. And why I'm like showing you how to solve bandwidth. Bandit, you should solve it by yourself, but when you get stuck, then only watch this video. Yes, I'm saying you, then only watch this video, because if you continue rely on the video, then you will be of nowhere. You should be having a better idea of how to use the commands with the combinations of the others, and also you should know the tricks to use the command to get the details. That's the reason I always prefer to use Bandit, and I also try to solve it always whenever I get the free time. This is a game you enjoy and play. That's the reason I always play this game. But sometimes the times comes when you have to play some video games, and at that time I play video games, but not every time. I Most of the time I play such sort of games. So let's get started. First of all, you don't need any sort of like a Kali Linux or Ubuntu operating system. You can use any such operating system which has a terminal into it, as I think most of the operating systems have it, like Linux, Unix, or if you are using Mac, if you are using Ubuntu, Kali. If you are using Windows, then in Windows you have PowerShell. In Linux you have a terminal. In Unix you directly have the terminal, and in third you have Mac, which also have the terminal. So from level 0, click on level 0. This you can find it on Google. And here what it say, level goal, Bandit level 0, level goal. The goal of the level is to bring you into the game using a SSH. So you should be having SSH in your system. The host to which you need to get connected is Bandit. So this is the host to which we wanted to get connected, and the port. So the port is 2220. The default port is 22. So they have changed the port. The user is Bandit 0, and the password Bandit 0. Okay, good enough. Fire up the terminal, and here it is. It is little bit slow, bear with me. SSH, and as you can see, whenever I tap here SSH, here you can see I have already like did all the things, and I have also worked with this machine, because I have used many of the machine while doing bandwidth. So in this machine I have did from to the level 6. Let's go to 0. So how you have to do it, like SSH bandwidth 0, bandit 0 at the rate, and give the IP address or the host. So I have given the host name here. So host name or the domain name, here it is, and -p, then port number. Sorry if I said something wrong. And here we are, hit enter. Now it is asking you the password. The password is same as Bandit 0. I will type you Bandit 0, hit enter, and here you are in the, like, you should read this. You should do not use this machine to like hack another machines or something like that. You should be playing this as a game and enjoy it as a game. So let's get started. Once you have logged in, go to the level 1 page to find out how to beat level 1. Click on it, and you are here. Level 0 to 1, level goal. The password for the next level is stored in the file called readme located in the home directory. So you should know where is the home directory in Linux. Now this creates a question in your mind, which is the home directory, and use this password to log in into bandwidth 1 using the SSH. Whenever you find the password for the level, use SSH on port 2220 to log in into level and continue the game. Okay, that's fine with me. There is another terminal. Let me. So I was having two terminals, so I close the first one. Now let me zoom in, and that's it. I think that much is fine. Now let me clear up it. First you have to do ls, then readme cat, and here is the readme file. As you can see, the readme. How can I know? Because if you whenever you log in any of the Linux machine, you first of all go on the home page. If the person has not done any sort of like the hosted person has not done any sort of like settings, like you go on a specific directory, then it's fine. Till that time, by default you are in a home directory, and if you wanted to know where you are in the home/bandit 0. This is how where is the home directory is, but mostly the home directory is in the root/home. That is the home directory because it is the bandwidth level 0, so we are in the bandwidth 0. And if you go back, you can see here all the bandwidth levels are. So here are the bandwidth level, and they all are the home directory for their particular level. CD bandwidth 0. Okay, clear it out. If you type ls directory, you can ls directly, you can get the readme file. You can get all the details like what it is, and it is only read write protected. So for us it is only read. So get it by cat readme, and you find this password. Copy the selection, exit, go back. You are here, just change it by 1, paste the password. You can just right click and paste selection instant, or you can do Ctrl Shift V, which I have did it right now, and here we are. So let's clear it out, this one also, and we need to go on level 1 to 2. So we have cleared it out the 0 to 1, and now the level 1 to 2. The password for the next level is stored under the file located in the home directory. So now you know where is the home directory. It is the same directory where we are. So here is a dash, and what it says that the password for the next level is stored in the file called dash located in the, or you can say hyphen. So you can see how the question has been tricked here. They have given the questions properly, but they didn't specify with any sort of like double quotes. So you have to read the question very carefully. So let's get started. So here you type ls and you get this. So cat underscore, and it's not working. Let's do cat, and here we are. So I've tried to specify that dash with the double quotes, but I didn't find the Linux didn't get it. So I did the dot and forward slash, so that gave me the answer, and here I am. So you should know how to use cat command. Cat, basically anyone can type cat, the file name, blah blah blah, this is the file name, and hit enter, and they will get the details, or they will do some things like they will use this type of like things to read or write to specify that I have to read or write the particular file. But that's it, that's the basic which will be set by any of the tuitions classes, or um, most of the people's, not in the tuition classes, but most of the people's will say you. But these are the internal thing which no one gonna say you, that's get developed inside you as the experience goes on. And here you are in your experience phase, and that's why you are watching this video, elsewhere you didn't have watching this video. So this is how you use the cat command for a dash sort of file name. So here is the password. I just again right click, copy while selecting it, and typing exit to get a logout, and again arrow up, and here I am typing 2. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste the paste selection. I should paste selection, let's see. Yes, paste selection is the right thing to do here. Now let's go on the second level, level 2 to 3. The password for the next level is stored in the file called space in this file name. So there is a space, as you can see. There are if you can see here, 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. There are 3 spaces in the 4 words of sentence, and that is the name of the file which contains or stored the next level password in the home directory. So as you can see here, all the passwords are being stored in the home directory. What I am thinking is, and there are written. So let's get started in the same home directory. Space in this file, as you can see, ls-la. This is the one file, whole one file, and I'm gonna select this whole one file. Right click, copy selection, cat, double underscore, paste, double underscore. How I'm pasting this? Control Shift hyphen V. Control Shift plus V. So now hit enter, and now you got the password. Again right click, copy selection. The double quotes, what they will do is they will take all the insights, whatever is there, they will combine it with and see to it as the same one thing. Because in Linux, if you type A and B and C, these 3 are totally different thing. Linux will think like that. If you type like Alex wonder how, then Alex is a different thing, wonder is a different thing, and how is different thing for Linux. But if you like type here wonder how, now Linux have 2 things, Alex and wonder how. So these are 2 things for Linux. The previous example was 3 things for Linux. If I remove the double quotes, then it will think there are 3 things to me to follow. Now in the case of cat command, what Linux thought is, cat command, cat have to read, there is cat command given by the user, means I have to read any of the files, and if there is cat, after that there is double quotes. So there are double quotes inside that, there is a space in this file name is the name of the file. So what Linux understand is, I have to use cat command, and cat has to read this file name. This whole thing is a one file name. And if what if I doesn't use the double quotes? If you haven't used the double quotes, it says that cat space no such file or directory, cat in no such files or directory, cat this is no such file directory, and cat file name no such files or directory. So it specifies this 4 as different files or directory. So that's it. This is how cat command works, and you have to use double quotes to specify a um, particular word or sentence um, that is together a file name and contains a space into it. So you have to use double quotes. If this name where I should say that offensive kernel, these two are different words, but once I specify underscore, this is a one word. If I given a hyphen, this is a one word. But what if I given a comma and given a space? This is two different words. For Linux, it will be like offensive comma is one word and kernel is another word. This is how Linux works. You have to understand the working of the Linux, the commands working, then only you will be able to solve this bandit. I am explaining you this first part only. After that we will be jumping and going very fast with the tutorial. After that we are in the level 2 to 3, then we are gonna 3 to 4. Just exit from here. The password were somewhere here. Copy, go 3, done, paste selection, done, enjoy your stay. Now in this, your password for the next level is stored in the hidden file in the in here directory. So what is this now? Let me explain. If I do simple, like clear it, if I wanted to do simple ls, then you can find here there is a in here directory. Okay, so if you type here in here directory, you go inside it while using the command cd, and you can see there is nothing, but it says that the password for the next level is stored in the hidden file in the in here directory. So there is a hidden file in the in here directory. That's damn file hidden inside the in here directory, and we have to find that out. If I type here ls-la, if I type here a to get the hidden, for details I type here ls, and I have the habit of la. Let's type it here a for the sake of to finding out just the hidden file, and here it is. That bloody rascal dot hidden is the name. So let's read this file, and you can find here that it starts with a dot and then it starts hidden. So any file containing a dot in the initial stage of his name, then that file will be hidden file in the Linux. Note that word. Okay, so cat hidden, and you got your password there away. Exit, and you are ready to rock in level 5, the last one. So level 4 to 5. So we will go in the level 5, and after that we will cover another 5 levels in the other sessions. The password for the next level is stored in the human readable file. Note that the password is stored in a human readable file, means there are other files which are not in a human readable format, I should say, and the file is in the in here directory. So there is also a in here directory, and if you messed up, try the reset command. Terminal has been messed up, so we can use it. ls, and here is the in here. So I can see there are hyphen file 000102030403050060708 and 09 file, means there are total 10 files in the system, in this directory, I should say. So to see all the files one by one, then only we can find it out which file is a human readable file. But let's first read one of the files, and it says no. Okay, this is how normal people do it, who don't know about the, and this is how it becomes messy. That's the reason they say to use the reset command. What to do in that case scenario? Okay, what you have to do is you have to use file command and this. So when you use asterisk, you can asterisk to dot forward slash and then asterisk. What asterisk will do is it will select all of these files. If we are going one by one, seeing all the files, what if there are hundreds or 1000 files in the in this system or directory? In that case, you have to use such asterisks, like symbols with the command, so you can use it. And as you can see, ASCII text, so this is the human readable format. So what we are gonna do is cat then file 07, and here we are baby with the password for the next level, and you can get connected with the next level. This will take you to the 5 to 6, and you we will solve this in the next tutorial. And this tutorial, this was it about how to get from a Bandit 0 level to Y. And that's it. Hope you enjoy this video tutorial. I'm not just pasting all the commands while keeping keeping all the commands and pasting and solving it, hey guys, this is how it gets solved. You can go to the vlogs, and you can go to the vlogs and the website, they already have that thing. Some guys have explained it very well, but what I'm going to show you is I'm also gonna show you how it is been done while verbally, and also while showing you with video. So it can help you in two ways, so you can also see and also listen to get a better understanding. And I'm not doing anything special because many of the people already have that in their website, but they don't have such times to invest in video and making all of the videos. I also don't have the time, that's why I'm using this live stream mechanism to do not have any needs to to edit a video and then upload it. So that's a complete waste of time, and I think live sessions are the good one, because if you ask any of the questions, that will be reflected. As of now, there is no views concurrently, so let's see when I will get the video views. Hope so. YouTube, help me out. YouTube, if you are listening, have a great time. See you in the next one.